Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can also fix your problem when you just sign out from your Apple ID and sign in again and you have problems with your photos, so you can't find photos in your gallery. So how you can also fix it? So for fixing it, let's go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here photos, so just open it, just check if you turn on iCloud photos. Also you can check it in another way, so you can also just try to open your Apple ID. So after you can also just find here iCloud, and here you need to open photos and just check if you turn it on here. Also you can check it like this. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to our channel, click like on mine.